IPDC is not just a character or personality developing course, but it also empowers us to successfully progress in all aspects of our life. Every topics of the IPDC motivates me, but one of the best topic that I've learned is from journey from house to home, as the key to success always begins with the home. Initially, I was immediately reacted on the argument when my father, when I have says my father that I have to do a job along with the study. But when I have started going to the IPDC lecture, I have realized that my father is right, and after listening and understanding, I have come to the conclusion that I will do a job after my studies. I have become the internally strong to face the challenges of my life. After attending the lectures of the IPDC, I have started spending more times with my family and become more interactive with my families, and my relations with my family are more loving than before. The IPDC is not just a course, but it is a center of excellence.
For some months ago, we get separated, our families get separated, and my family got under a crisis, and it was very unpeaceful. Then, by the time this happened, the course of integrated personality development was ongoing in my college. So I shared some of my point of views that I have learned from this subject to my parents, and my dad said, okay, we will set back and let the time to heal everything. And now at present time, everything is ongoing well. I was watching too much of TV shows, serials, Netflix, Amazon Prime, and all these videos, and playing games all the time, the whole day. After that, I took this course, and now I am investing my times in proper things like in education, handling my dad's business, and learning many new things. The most effective topic from this lecture I get was addiction, because I was addicted to phones. Yeah, my addiction is gone now, and I am investing my whole of the time in handling my dad's business whenever I am free, and else the rest of the time is from studying. It's a wonderful course, and I think the government should get it to each and every child. In the way IPDC helped me to get better in the future, I think many of the youths of the Indian will be able to learn many things from this subject, the IPDC.
Today I was using my phone, and I was very much busy on social media that I cannot give time to my family. My mother and father used to scold me because of that. They told me that you're using whole day your phone and you're not focusing on your studies. So I thought that I can overcome my addiction by self-motivation. So I reduced my timing of using phone, and I focused more on my studies. So my family was also happy because I was spending more time on studies, and I was also spending time with them. So I overcome my addiction of using phone.
We have got very good feedback from the student related to the skill development, personality developments, and habit developments, and lot of changes has been recorded in the students. And the same feedback I have also received from the faculty coordinator who is looking after the whole program. When we were implementing this course to our BPharm third semester student, we were in a very uncertainty that what will be the response from the student side. But after going through the online classes, and when we have taken the feedback from the student, a lot of changes has been found, especially in the boys student who were having the habit of late night sleeping, and they were used to in habit of using the mobile phone for the very long period of time. But positive response we have got from the students, especially from the boys, and they are realizing that they were very leading to the wrong path. But by the implementation of this courses, they have been diverted towards the positive side, and now they are having very positive vibration in their mind, and they are also coming to us and telling that we should implement more such type of models in this course, so that they are not diverted to the negative sides of the areas, and they can build their very good features in the coming time.
Unleashing inner potential.